Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and if you're a Firefox user, Mozilla has announced today that it will continue to support Manifest v2 extensions even with Manifest v3 being rolled out also in Firefox. And they said that the idea behind it is to give flexibility to the user and using whatever they want to use as extensions. And basically, this is what they think is the real freedom of choosing what you want. So if you're a Firefox user, that I guess is the good news, especially since Manifest v3 has a tendency to disable the ad blockers that do not obey the rules of Manifest v3. Once again, for those that wonder what Manifest v2, v3 means, it's really a set of rules. Rules that must be obeyed by extensions that will go into a browser. These rules are made to try to keep as secure as possible a browser. And of course, Google has been pushing Manifest v3 because they're saying it's more secure and makes your browser and PC and devices more secure. But the problem is it's actually breaking a lot of the ad blockers. And what happens is a lot of people are mad and think that Google is just pushing Manifest v3 in order to have and break ad blockers. So whatever is true or not, that's debate. But Firefox, even though using v3, will also let you use any extensions that actually are obeying v2 rules. So that means that it won't break your extensions. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.